Katanat District Council Affairs jangga jela haka khatsantrik wiyayong galapan menaik result jangga election MDC jangga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Bad haganik election keseng Kongres kala job kat arngut ki kertong kat bana keseng NPP la job kat wengut ki kertong. Arngut ki kertong gila job na keseng BJP, iwei na keseng GNC, bad langut ki kertong kemseng kila job akan ki election. Keseng UDP bad NCP kim cemlala ban job wat tangka weiru ke constituency. Kaseng Kongres kalaya cekmat banekran bat ki wegi seng bat kumjo bat ki MDC klemseng naga benta-benta ke Executive Committee jangka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Bat nakaliang ke NPP ru kalekran bat ki seng san perthai kumjo bat ki MDC klemseng banta ke Executive Committee batamai ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. La banong bagadon kejingatan telai ke bejurba hapedeng keseng Kongres bat ki NPP naga benta banyotha ke Executive Committee. Hagani ki election keladon chispa prapu arngut ki kertong geblaya aireng hak election na ki arpu khandai teli ki constituency but keladon prangut ki kertong gebre ki kenthai ke be khun hagani ki election.
And thanks to all those electorates who have come and demonstrated their resolve to save the Garo Autonomous District Council and save the interests of the people and the state. And congratulate all those elected representatives who have been elected duly.
Doctor, did you expect that Congress will win?
So we expected more than this. We expected to have absolute majority. But obviously, elections will always have some element of surprises, and then there are also inherent challenges associated with few rebel candidates who became victim of the manipulation of the opponents. Obviously, some of the aspiring candidates who could not be accommodated or couldn't be nominated fell into the trap of the NPP and became rebel candidates, and that obviously have eroded certain amount of votes that was otherwise destined for the party. That is one part, and then other thing is that you must have seen the way elections were fought this time with a full, with top gear of money power.
Do we see that Congress will form the EC?
Yeah, we are working on that. We are working on how to have the friends, like-minded people who have the same priority. The priority being the interest of the people, interest of the state. We're working on that direction. Yeah. So we'll talk to you later. You'll be able to know the latest as we engage in all this exercise. Thank you.
BJP!